Welcome. If you're tired of Discord filling your inbox with recommendation emails, you're not alone. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly disable recommendation email notifications on Discord web using your PC, following the newest update. Let's get started and clear out that inbox for good. First, open Discord directly from your browser. You can do this by heading to the official Discord website and logging into your account. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Inside user settings, you'll see a menu on the left side. Find and select the notifications tab. This is where Discord lets you control what kind of alerts and emails you receive. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Email Notifications. Here's where you'll find all the different categories of emails Discord can send you, including recommendations. These recommendation emails are usually about suggested servers, events, or other features Discord thinks you might like, but they can quickly become overwhelming if you're not interested. To stop receiving these, simply look for the toggle next to Recommendation Emails under the Email Notifications section. Click it to turn it off. Once you do this, Discord will no longer send you emails suggesting servers or events, helping to keep your inbox focused only on what matters to you. Remember, you can always revisit this section to fine-tune your preferences for other types of emails as well. Discord makes it easy to decide exactly what lands in your inbox, so you're always in control. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've disabled recommendation email notifications on Discord web. Enjoy a cleaner inbox and a more streamlined Discord experience. If this guide helped you out, consider sharing it with friends who might also be looking to cut down on unwanted emails. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.